Hello students, hope you all are fine. Myself Damandeep Kaur as an IP teacher in Amrit Indo-Canadian Academy. Today I am going to introduce one new software, that is Scratch. What is a Scratch? Scratch is a block-based visual programming language that allows you to create your own interactive stories, to present your own imaginations, to make a games and animations, and moreover it is easy to use. Now what is coding? Block based coding is a form of programming language where the user give instructions by dragging and dropping blocks. So Scratch is also a block based coding language. Now I am going to introduce the interface of Scratch window. There are four main sections in a Scratch. Number one is block plate. Number two, scripting area. Number three, stage. And the last one is backdrop panel. What is in block plate? Various blocks are available in this block plate. So we can use this for making a script. Next is scripting area. What is a scripting area? In which you can make your own script of a program. For example, there is a director of a movie and he have to make a movie. Before making a movie, obviously he have to make a script. Same as you are a director of your own project. So in this scripting area, you will make a script of your project by dragging these blocks. Simply drag from the block palette and drop into a scripting area. This way you can play with your blocks. Next is stage. That is a area where you can execute your program, and there is also a sprite which is a main character of your project. Next is a backdrop panel. The last section is a backdrop panel in which you can do modifications, means you can do changes with your sprite as well as with your stage. How can you do changes? You can change your character or a sprite, or you can change your backdrop from this backdrop panel. Now let me introduce block categories of your Scratch software. Block categories. It consists of various blocks such as motion, look, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. Number one is motion. Motion blocks are medium blue in color and consist of 15 stack blocks. Motion blocks are basically used to control your sprite's movement. It is used to control the movement of your sprite which is a main character of your project. Next one is looks. These are purple in color. Look blocks are used to control the look of your sprite as well as backdrop. It consists of 18 stack blocks. It is used to control the look of your sprite and a backdrop. Next one is sound blocks. These blocks are purple in color and consist 8 stack blocks. Sound block is used to apply sound on a sprite, as well as you can also record your own sound for a sprite. Next is events. These blocks are yellow in color and consist of 6 hat blocks and 2 stack blocks. Event blocks are used to control the triggering of the script for your sprite and backdrop. And every script must start with an event block. Next category of block is control blocks. Control blocks are used to control the execution of your script. After that, sensing block. Sensing blocks are used to detect specific circumstances in your scripts. These blocks can also detect touch, mouse click and more. Operator blocks. Operator blocks are used to add math equations and string handling to your script. So these are the different blocks categories of your Scratch window. In next video I will introduce some stack blocks for making your script. Working on a stage, how to do modification with a sprite. So till that, go through these all blocks. If you find any query, then feel free to type in comment box. Thank you.